Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Spatial Wallpaper not working on iOS. Okay, let's see and go to our Photos section. And now I will choose a photo from my library. And now let's say that I have chosen this photo. And now you'll have to click on this button on the top right side in order to make this as a wallpaper with a spatial manner. So here you have the spatial scene on, but in some cases you cannot actually see this option. As in this photo right here, I do not have the spatial scene option. Now in order to fix this issue, you will need to go and open the settings of your iPhone, then go and click on the general option. Once you go and click on general, you'll need to go and click on software update. Then now you will have to update your iOS to iOS 26. So here as you can see, I have it updated. And now when you go to any photo, you can make it in a spatial wallpaper and set it as a wallpaper in a spatial manner. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.